Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk about how you can get over $40,000 in credit cards with these companies if you're trying to only get your TransUnion credit report pulled. So we're not going to talk about any company that's not going to pull your TransUnion credit report. And a lot of times people want to get credit cards through, one credit bureau because that is their highest score. So that's your highest score, or you got more items deleted on that account, then you may want to just go that way. So say if TransUnion is your highest score, you got more things deleted on TransUnion, then you want to go with TransUnion and get all your credit cards if you can help it. But you guys, some of these credit cards, you can go all the way down to a 500 credit score. So I definitely want you guys to watch all of the, look at the parts with all the credit cards, and then let me know which credit card y'all may want me to do like a full review on. Like, oh, Rickita, I like this one, but ask me some questions about that credit card in the comments. Now, the first credit card I want to talk to you guys is about the Apple credit card. Now, I've seen a lot of people doing the Apple trick. There's a trick out there to get this credit card. So I've seen a lot of people doing the Apple trick to be able to get this credit card, but they said that if you do the Apple trick, it's going to be hard for you to be able to get any increases. It's going to be harder for you to get increases, but I don't know how true that is fully. But maybe I'm going to get my iPhone, because I'm with Team Android. I'm going to get my iPhone at the end of this month. Maybe I'll try to do the trick for you guys and then let you know how that works. And maybe that's something I can help other people with getting this credit card. But if your TransUnion credit score, if you have a higher TransUnion credit score, you will be able to get this credit card, the Apple credit card. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is actual a credit union. Now, you guys know I always talk to you guys about Navy Federal Credit Union, but this is the biggest thing. For all of their credit cards, they're going to pull your TransUnion credit reports. So, and I love that they pull the TransUnion credit reports. I actually want them to pull my Equifax, but I wish it was Equifax. But I like that you can pre-qualify with them. So that means that they can tell you which credit cards you're possibly approved for. Instead of you just applying and then getting denied, they're actually able to tell you like which credit card you could possibly get approved for. But you do have to sign up with them, and you have to get a savings account first before you get a credit card with them. A lot of times people are like, oh, I'm not able to do it because I went in the Army, the Marines, the Navy, the Air Force. And I always tell them, if you had a family member that was in there, just let them know, hey, I had a family member that served, and then they should be able to give you an account. And like, they didn't ask for any verification. They didn't ask for verification on that family member. So just let them know what part of the Army or whatever they were in, and then you should be able to get that savings account or a checkings account. But you just have to have an account with them. As soon as you get an account with them, then they can do that pre-qualification. But I really suggest people go with this one, because even if you, like I said, if your credit score is really low in the 500s, even if you got to start off with their secure credit card, let me kind of go back to that one. Even if you have to start off with their secure credit card, I'm pressing the wrong things. Let's just go back to the home screen. Their secure credit card, you can get that secure credit card for $200, and then it'll increase to, it's all the way at the bottom down here. It'll increase all the way up to $2,000 in 6 months. So that's for the people that got that, low credit score. You have to get a secure card. Then definitely go with their secure card, put $200 on it. And then in 6 months, it'll increase to a $2,000 card. Then your credit score should be higher. So now you can start looking at a lot of these other credit cards I'm telling you about. But there's a lot of different credit cards with Navy Fed. I just really love Navy Fed. They have mortgages. They have, you can get your car loan through them. But check out other videos I have about Navy Federal Credit Union. The next bank I want to talk to you guys about is the Barclays cards. So there's a lot of different cards you can get with this company. They're going to pull your TransUnion credit report too. Don't forget, it's TransUnion credit report. That's what we're here for. They're going to pull that TransUnion. So don't think, oh, okay, I know I wasn't here to hear TransUnion, but I want y'all to get this credit card, and then your credit score is really low for TransUnion, then I wouldn't try to get it. Try to make sure that you guys have a higher credit score when you guys are trying to get credit cards through them. But as you can see, there are so many different credit cards you can get. You just have to determine like which one you want to get and look at like the different type of rewards that they're offering. They have Frontier, I really like that. They have the Barnes and Noble up there. They have the JetBlue. So you guys definitely look and see which ones you want to get. As you can see, this list is like endless. There's so many of them that you guys can actually go ahead and get. And don't forget, it's TransUnion only. The next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is about the Bank of America credit card. Now, Bank of America is only going to pull your TransUnion credit report, which is really good. And I want you guys to have a higher credit score when you're trying to get a credit card with them. And then I also want you guys, like, if you have a problem, your credit score is like under 550, so your credit score is really low, I want you guys to try to get the secure credit card. Don't try to get all the other credit cards if your credit score is really low, just in case you're watching. But if your credit score is higher, then Bank of America is definitely an option for you. US Bank, they actually have credit cards too. And you can say which kind of what type of credit card you want. Do you want cash back? Are you looking for points? Do you want a low intro rate? Do you want to travel? Or do you want to make sure you just don't have an annual fee? Because they can show you exactly which credit card they can get for you. Or even if you're trying to build your credit, they have the credit cards here. It's like, okay, if you're trying to build your credit, these are the ones you need to get. And usually you guys, that's for people if you guys have your credit score. Like I said, if your credit score is like under a 580, you have to go with secure, because other credit cards may give you one at 581 and higher. But if you're under a 580, you may have to start with secure. And these are some great options for you. But you can go ahead and say which credit card you want, and they'll let you know, which credit cards is there. Like for cashback, they'll let you know these two credit cards offer cashback. I want to talk to you guys about the Amazon credit card. The Amazon credit card, you guys are going to get 5% cash back with Amazon, which is really good. You get 2% cash back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% cash back on utilities, rideshare, and all other purchases. I really love that. This reminds me of like a Discover with the gas mixed in with just 1% cash back on some other cards. And I like that you get 5% cash back on Amazon. I'm always buying things on Amazon. As you can see, I already have something in my cart my son wanted me to get, but I'm always buying things on Amazon. So this is a great card that you can get. And they also do a pre-qualification too. So you can click right here, click check now to see if you pre-qualified. They want me to sign into my account, but I'm not going to sign into my account to go ahead and see if I'm pre-qualified. You have to make sure that you are a member. So I'm already a member. That's why I'm already in this system. I already have the Prime, so they're able to do the pre-qualification for me. But you can get pre-qualified for this credit card. And if you like Amazon as much as I do, then you definitely need this credit card. Now, another credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the PayPal credit card. So if you guys are looking to get a credit card with PayPal, it's going to be MasterCard. So you will be able to use it wherever MasterCard is accepted. You can use your PayPal credit card too for just your PayPal transactions, any transactions you may do with PayPal. But definitely you guys go ahead and sign up for the PayPal credit card if that's something that you definitely wanted to get. I did a video review on the my Walgreens credit card. I seen them promoting it now in Walgreens too. It's like too cute to me. But when this first came out, I definitely made a video for you guys about this credit card. And a lot of people said that they actually got pre-approved for it, and they actually got approved for it also. So you can see if you could pre-qualify for this credit card without them actually pulling your credit reports, because that's like the biggest thing to me. Like, pre-qualify me, say yes or no ahead of time so I can avoid that inquiry. And they definitely have that, but they have a lot of different type of rewards that you can get with Walgreens. So if you're always shopping at Walgreens, it'll be a great card to get, because sometimes you may not get the MasterCard. They may just give you the regular store card. And if you don't go to Walgreens and shop, you don't really care for it. You know what I mean? But if your credit score is higher, then you should possibly get the MasterCard. And then MasterCard you can use anywhere. So yeah, those are like all of the different credit cards. I did have a bonus list of credit cards I definitely want to show you. And I'm going to do a separate video on this, you guys. So definitely check it out. I'm going to make sure I tag it so that you guys can see all the in-depth credit cards I'm talking about with this. But Synchrony Bank, they have over 100 credit cards, and they all pull TransUnion. So if you guys have a very low credit score, there's store cards that you can get. Instead of getting a secure credit card, you can get a store card at one of your favorite stores because maybe they have that card, that company here. But you can see there are so many different credit cards you can get. The only Synchrony Bank credit card that I had was the Care Credit. So I had the Care Credit, and you can see that's right here. But there's a full list of credit cards you can get. You can get the Gap, JCPenney, Lazy Boy, LensCrafter, Lowe's store credit card. Like all of these are so like all of the credit cards that they have. But I'm going to definitely do a review on this next, you guys. So definitely check out that video. I'll make sure I tag it about all of the credit cards with Synchrony Bank. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you want me to go into deep details about any of these credit cards, definitely let me know in the comments. I'll make a personal video for you. Or also, too, let me know if you have any of these credit cards that you can give us more information on it for those people that read the comments. But I'll see you guys later. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.